Hi dear Libra, how are you guys doing? So this is a journal love reading for Libra for remaining days of January 2021. So let's quickly see what your partner and you feel about each other. So your partner is feeling like Three of Cups. They're celebrating with you. Maybe you guys are going on dates. Maybe you guys are having some fun with each other or celebrating birthdays, parties, or whatever it is. But they are celebrating life with you right now. They are feeling very, very happy and content with you right now. On the other hand, your energy is the Four of Pentacles. Maybe you want this time Libra. So what you're feeling is that you're holding it very very tightly to your towards your heart or maybe in your mind that you don't want this person to let go or you don't want this time to pass so quickly. So you are holding so tightly on this person, on these emotions, on this particular time frame that you are not able to let go of this time or this person or this situation right now. So right now they are celebrating, they are in the celebration mode, they're in the happy go lucky mode. On the other hand, you are holding so much into yourself right now. You will burst, I think. Okay, so how they see you is the Chariot. So your partner see you as a very very determined, strong, and a good personality, a mature personality. They feel that you are a mature person, and you will, no matter how hard life will get, you will come through that with determination. Okay, and right now what I can see is reconciliation as well. Maybe you guys were not together from a very long period of time. Now you guys are together, and you guys are moving forward with patience and love and determination. There is some kind of energy that is telling me that this is reconciliation. This is a person from the past, or maybe you know this person from very long time, and now you guys are meeting. Okay, so how you see them, you see them as a world. You see the whole world in them. So you feel like this person is very beautiful, very charming, they are very chirpy, and they do whatever they want to do in their life. They don't give a fuck to anything or anyone around them. They are just living their life happily. And you see them as their world. So you see them as your world. Okay, I'm sorry for these words. So you see them that the world begins with them, the world ends with them. They are very happy. They are like a best friend to me, a lover to me, a family to me. Very very beautiful and pure energy is there right now. So what they feel from this relationship. So your person feels like you are the star, very very balanced, very very emotional kind of person who is able to understand the feelings, complex feelings very very easily. So it is a kind of energy. They see you as a star. On the other hand, how they see you, how you see them is the Two of Swords. They see you as a star. They see you like, yes, you are the right person for them. You are mature enough to handle the complex situations in life, and you are beautiful. You are positive. You are like a best friend to them. And on the other hand, you see them. You feel for them as the Two of Swords. You are on the crossroads. You are not able to make the decision about this particular relationship, Libra. You are not able to make the decision to maybe you want this person in your life, definitely want this person in your life. You're craving for their attention, you're craving for their love, you're craving for to be with this person every second. But you are on the crossroads. Maybe you are caught up in two situations. You're not able to understand which way to go right now. Okay, what they want from this relationship, King of Swords energy is there. They want clarity from this relationship. They want uh, they want an answer from you if you are ready for this relationship or not. They want the mental clarity. They are the kind of person who is very very passionate, who is very very mentally clear about things, who is not that much emotional. They are practical, but they know what they want in their life. So what they want from you or this relationship is that they want the mental clarity. They want the clarity of this relationship, whether this relationship is like a casual one, or this is kind of committing energy, or this kind of, or this is the energy that is going for a long term future. So this, they want a mental clarity. They want a clarity from your side. Okay, Libra. And on the other hand, what you want from this relationship is the Hierophant energy. So you want a commitment from them. Although you are on the crossroads, although you feel like this is not the right time to act on this particular relationship or with this particular person, Deep down you want a commitment from this person, that yes, this person is going to stay with me forever. You want maybe not that kind of marriage proposal or marriage commitment, but you want a commitment from this person to stay with you forever. Okay, the outcome from their side is what they are going to feel with this, the Nine of Cups energy. This is the kind of wish fulfillment energy they are feeling with you. You are their wish fulfillment, Libra. They are feeling very very happy and content and positive with you, and they are feeling like yes, this is the person whom I call my home. This is the person whom I you know cherish a lot. I love them a lot. See, there is no loving energy right now. They are taking it as it is coming right now, but they are feeling very very happy and content with you right now. Maybe this friendship just started, maybe this there was some kind of negative energy or toxic energy around this relationship that is finally melting away, and they are feeling very very happy and content about this particular relationship. On the other hand, what you are feeling is Ace of Swords. You are beginning a new relationship, you are beginning a new commitment level, or you are upgrading the level of this friendship or this relationship or this commitment, whatever you can say, with this particular person. So after lots of ups and downs, after lots of cutting out the toxicity and cutting out all the unnecessary things, you are finally ready for a new beginning in this relationship, and you are beginning this relationship with a very clear energy. You are mentally clear about this particular person in your mind, and you are thinking yes, let's give it a chance. Okay, so things to let go of, that things to let go of is the Four of Swords. You are over analyzing, Libra. You are overthinking about this particular personal relationship. You are stuck somewhere. You are feeling like yes, I want this relationship to work out. Deep down you want this relationship to work out. Deep down you want this person forever in your life, but you're not taking any kind of action. So you have to take some action if you want this thing to happen. Okay, Libra. So you are in this contemplation phase, you are in this meditation phase, you are in this denying phase from a very long period of time maybe, but you have to take action if you want this person forever in your life. So this is the kind of energy what I'm picking for you guys right now. And the opportunity for growth in this relationship is the Lovers card. This is a very very beautiful energy. This is the kind of energy that you are waiting for maybe from a very long time, Libra. See, this person came to your life unexpectedly. Okay, you were not thinking about this relationship or this person in this particular way, but this came out. So the universe sent you this person. The universe helped you to get this person. This is the person or the energy you were manifesting maybe throughout your life, and now this person is in your life and you're not able to make a decision, you're not able to make a stable uh, commitment or something. Maybe you are stuck somewhere, or maybe there is some other person that you have to leave behind to come out as a partner to this particular person. But this relationship has the potential to become a very very beautiful, passionate and loving relationship. You both are on the same page, you both love each other, Libra, and all you have to do is to take action towards this particular person if you want this happiness in your life, this committing energy in your life. Okay, and the guidance from the universe is the Page of Wands. Again, you have to use your childlike energy, you have to take action. I'm not saying just go and propose to them. It is a kind of energy, it is like take baby steps. The page is a baby who don't know what is he is going to do, but they are doing it anyway because they are feeling happy about this. So you are feeling happy, you are feeling content in this relationship, you are loving this relationship, you are loving this person, you see them as the whole world. But for them to stay with you, you have to take actions. Okay, you have to take maybe baby steps or small steps towards them, but you have to take some kind of action to keep this person in your life. Okay, Libra. So this is the reading for you, Libras, for the remaining month of January 2021. I hope it helps. Thank you so much for listening, and do subscribe to my channel and do comment in the comment section below so that I can see what you felt about this relationship or this reading. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.